There are many reasons why your circuit breakers may trip too often. One of the main reasons is there's just too much connected to that individual breaker. One of the main reasons people find circuit breakers tripping too often is just that they have too many appliances plugged in to a single circuit. You may have a situation where there are 13 outlets in your house and all of those outlets are tied into one circuit breaker. If you were to be using all 13 of those outlets with vacuums and hair dryers or a space heater, you're bound to overload that circuit, which would cause a circuit breaker to trip. The more frequently your circuit breaker trips, the weaker it tends to get, and over time it'll start to trip more and more frequently. Another reason why circuit breakers trip too often is just that they're old. The circuit breakers in your electrical panel do create heat, and over time that heat can break down the internal components of the circuit breakers, causing them to trip more and more frequently. Another reason why circuit breakers trip too frequently could be just due to the age of the electrical panel itself. Over time, the internal components of your circuit breakers do break down, and they can become more sensitive and trip more often. There are also several brands of panels and circuit breakers out there that do not function as they should and are deemed fire hazards. Some of those may be Zinsco, Federal Pacific, Pushmatic, and Wadsworth brands.